You have the ability to adjust your Sequoia's driving performance to suit your preferences and/or driving conditions by changing the drive mode. The drive mode can be changed by turning the knob located on the center console near the gear shift. As you turn the knob, the multi-information display will show you which mode is selected, as well as highlight the parts of the drive system that are being adjusted. Unlike changing gears, drive modes can be changed at any time during your drive. All Sequoias feature normal, eco, and sport modes. Sport mode allows the engine to provide quicker, more powerful acceleration, as well as increased responsiveness for more agile steering. Switching to normal provides an optimal balance of fuel economy, quietness, and dynamic performance, and is suitable for typical everyday driving. Eco mode can help improve fuel economy in certain conditions by adjusting the throttle response and controlling the operation of the AC system. This mode is best kept for open road highway driving.
Oh, oh, oh.